Welcome back to the channel, and we're down here at Kwinana Motorplex to do Whoop Ass Wednesday to find out how slow the territory is going to be.
I decided I'ma spit it to him, laid back, flow like a nigga you can picture in the make.
Okay, so we're here with the territory, and as you can see, she's pretty much bone stock. We've chucked a pod filter on it, and we're going to try, after a stock run, running those semi-slick, they're not semi-slicks, just some smaller diameter wheels, so we can see if we can utilise those 3.7 diff gears. And not only are we testing how slow it is before we put the turbo on there, this is also the competition to win the $50 voucher. So let's see what you guys think. There was a few optimistic people out there, but let's see how we go. Let's see who gets it. Well, hopefully we don't get the S3. Oh. Alright boys, while we line up here, basically we just want to try and get a clean run with the stock wheels. Try not to hit the limiter in first, and then we'll chuck the smaller diameter wheels on, and we'll go from there. Alright boys, no burnout for us. We definitely don't have traction issues. So we'll put the traction control off. Wait for our turn. Oh, we might have a Kia Rio. That actually might be a good race. Come on, big girl. Get going. We're beating the Rio.
As we speak of the man, the myth, the legend, the 10-second Kia Rio, Sean McCabe.
10 seconds he claims his car will run. Can a Kia Rio get down the Perth Motorplex in 10 seconds? Sean, there's absolutely no pressure at all. Not the best start, if I'm being 100% honest, with a 0.6 reaction time. The time is ticking.
Oh,
10 seconds
like
is what
a
it's written on the back
train.
window, and he's being whooped by Territory.
Off he goes. It's going.
The Territory has made the top side of the track with a 17-second pass. Sean McCabe goes through the 20-second pass.
Well, I think we got the only win we'll get tonight, I think. So let's see how slow that is. You can see she pulled a 17.1 dead stock at 104 kilometers an hour. Hang on, what's that? 2.6 60 foot. Wow, terribly slow. So we'll chuck on the other wheels, and then we'll see if we can improve on that. Time for another crack at it. We've got the 18-inch wheels on there, smaller diameter, might give us a slightly better 60 foot. Let's see if that makes a difference at the other end. Alright boys, let's see if we can improve on this big slow territory's time. No deal.
Oh, is something wrong? Oh. Okay, that doesn't look good.
Well, don't know what happened there, boys. leaking. That's all it is.
Yeah, it's a good sign.
Yeah, no leaking. It's just binding up or something. I don't know. Maybe I'll just turn it off. See, maybe it's limp mode.
If it is limp, I just disconnect the battery and clear the computer.
Because I put different size wheel on the back,
Oh, that would have screwed the computer.
and I don't know if I turn traction control off.
They don't like when you do things like that.
Yeah.
They hate you when you do things like that.
I mean, it sort of looks like the front right wheel on the yellow ute is just that little bit buckled.
Because we had a bit of a stuff up there. I think she hit limp mode because I didn't turn traction control off with the smaller wheels on the back. So that was a fail. What did we get? 29 seconds. The best. So we're going to try again. We'll see if it goes into limp mode again. Otherwise it's going to have to go back onto the normal wheels. Blind up again. We're going to try again. Hopefully not have limp mode issues. Traction control is off this time. And we're actually entering in a competition trying to, like some bracket racing. I'm trying to hit a 17.0. That's my nominated time. We'll see how we go. But let's try and get down the track first. And then we'll go from there. Kia Stinger. Probably going to get chopped. That's it.
Once again, I'm going to hand over to the wonderful capable Josh, and I will be back with you shortly.
Continue to roll on through with our Dial Your Own. You see the mighty Ford territory in the Kia Stinger getting down the turn one flex still Marley with Morgan in the Rocket Lane. Ross Holland in the Aeroflow lane. That goes across the top side of the track. It's actually a breakout for Ross Holland. He's gone a 16.934 and he's 17-second dead dial-in.
Yeah.
Yeah, the big girl. That's what we wanted, boys. We'll see how she went. Right, so checking out the third one we actually got. 16.93. I actually nominated a 17, so that's pretty close. We definitely had a better speed. 60 foot was a touch better. But yeah, 16.93. We'll see if we can improve on that at all. Go the Barra, big old girl. Last run. Might even do a burnout to see what happens. Usually a big burnout doesn't help the time, but we're going to give it a crack anyway. Traction control off. Ready to rock. We've got a Mustang. Here we go. Go on, big girl.
Yeah, nicely done. Yep. Territory up against the Mustang. I like it. Here we go. Oh, he's got to jump. What's he gonna do? Oh, he does a 16.69.
The Mustang got us. But hey, the Territory made it for a drag racing night without braking. It's always a bloody win. So let's see what that time was, and then we can go from there. Alright guys, last run was a win. We got a 16:69. Stoked with that sort of time. And also being a 16:69 means that I will have to contact someone. I'll comment on the video, and if you're the closest, well done, you won a $50 voucher. Cannot complain on the last run. The Territory's all good, it didn't break. Smaller wheels definitely did the trick. So, you know, smaller diameter, shorter diff gears, utilising 3/7 diff gears. But yeah, stoked with that. Should be interesting to see what it pulls with a turbo. But another good day of going to the track and still coming back in one piece. Anyway guys, until the next one, see you later.
But the sliding up pussy is a homicide.
What a machine.
It's a homicide.
Absolute machine. Oh.